So what are machine learning projects? What are machine learning projects? Okay. So machine learning projects, if I explain, there are various type of project. So machine learning projects are application or tasks that utilize machine learning techniques to solve specific problems or make prediction based on data. These projects typically involve training a machine learning model on a data set to learn patterns and relationship within the data, and then using the trained model to make prediction or classification on new unseen data. Machine learning projects can be quite diverse and can include tasks such as image classification, building models to classify images into different categories, such as identify objects in photos. Second, natural language NLP, developing models for tasks like sentiment analysis, text classification, chatbots, or language translation. Recommender systems, creating algorithm to recommend products, movies, or content to users based on their preferences and behaviors. And third, time series forecasting, predicting future values or trends in time series data like stock prices, weather, or sales. Anomaly detection, identifying unusual or abnormal patterns in data which can be applied in fraud detection, network security, and more. Regression analysis, predicting a continuous numerical value such as house prices or stock returns. Clustering grouping, similar data points together, often used in customer segmentation or image segmentation. And reinforcement learning, teaching agents to make decisions in an environment as seen in game playing, robotics, or autonomous vehicles. Generative models, creating new data that follows the same distribution as the training data, often used in image generation, text generation, or style transfer. Healthcare application using machine learning for medical image analysis, disease diagnosis, drug discovery, and patient outcome prediction. And machine learning projects can vary in complexity, for simple models to advanced deep learning architectures. They are commonly undertaken by data scientists, machine learning engineers, and researchers to address real world problems, in various domains. The choice of a machine learning project depends on the problem you want solved and data you have available. Thank you so much. If you really like my video, please go and subscribe. Thank you.